Hey guys, happy Monday. Hope you are having a great start to your day and had a fantastic weekend and enjoyed the holiday of Halloween. So this is Food Prep Monday. This is kind of what on tap for cooking for the week and meals. I've got some beets going down below. This is just a breakfast egg dish. I've got some eggs, a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and some greens. This is great for high protein, low fat, and just healthy for breakfast. I am cooking up and baking actually some fruit up above. These are some sliced bananas. They were kind of going bad, so I was like, oh, that's a great time to bake them. And then some baked apples. I've got some cinnamon, some pumpkin spice on them. The bananas I will probably put in with my Greek yogurt and my homemade granola, which actually the recipe is over on my website, www.lisahice.com, so check that out. And then I do have, I'm going to go ahead and close this so I can get it baking and cooking. Oh, by the way, this little oven liner, I am going to go ahead and do a video pretty soon about that. I love this thing. I got it at Walmart for $9.99, so stay tuned. I will do a whole video on that to tell you all about it, so coming up. And then I did make a big salad for the week. I've got some, let's see, I've got lettuce, I've got cucumbers. I'm going to slice up those beets once they're done, put it in there. I've got carrots, celery. I love having a big salad for the week because with that I will use like a turkey. I made a whole turkey probably 3-4 weeks ago, so I still got some turkey meat left over, so I'll pull out a bag of that freezer meat for lunches, for dinner. I love having like salad with like tuna packets. That's always good, or some salmon or chicken breast or something like that. It's a great healthy lunch or dinner. So here is the Meal Prep Monday. Also, if you didn't get a chance to check it out, make sure to see the new YouTube video over on my channel, the Frugal Living Network. It's all about saving money and your financial goals. So check that out. That link is up above in the bio, and I will put it down below too. So anyways, guys, happy Monday. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.